guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate projects on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to duplicate this project, it's going to also duplicate the media that you have in your library as well. So go to menu, go back to home page, and you're going to select the project you want to duplicate. Right click or select these three dots and just select duplicate, and it's going to copy the project. If you open it, as you can see, it also duplicates the media that you have on your library. So if you have a lot more, it's going to take longer to duplicate, so just be patient. And that's it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!